It's a nice warm day here in Nagano, and we're finally able to there's enough snow melted that we're able to drive the truck back up here and get some of the wood that one of the neighbors has graciously allowed us to use for free. It's from an empty house been empty for quite a while, more than 10 years probably, and wood from longer than that, so kind of got some insects and powdery, not ideal firewood, but we didn't have any since moving here during the middle of the winter, so it's been very helpful to have all of this free wood and not have to chop and split and carry it out of the woods. And now we're able to drive the truck right up to the house to load it up. So with this warm weather coming in the spring, I think now it's about time that we can start actually moving forward on some projects, or at least getting ready to move forward as the weather warms up and the snow melts more and more. So hopefully you can look forward to more videos of projects taking shape as the spring comes closer here in Nagano.
これは狩猟免許試験を合格するための
早速講習に移ります。はい、まずは狩猟についてご説明をします。はい、まず狩猟と有害駆除についての違いについてご説明をしますが、まず予備知識としてすでにご存知の方もいらっしゃるかもしれませんが、捕獲は大きく狩猟と有害鳥獣
ネックにはなりますけど、お名前もう一度。
自分で切って逃げちゃった個体なんだけども、まあそういった時に本当にこの個体見てもらえば分かるんだけど、もうほとんどこのももがない状態。左側はあるけども、要は障害の血になっちゃって、ここにもう肉がほぼないような状態。こういうこの肩甲骨ちょっと前あたりからロースっていうのが始まります。ロースいったところで、ロースを傷めない程度、この個体だったらちょうどこれが丸みかかってきたここら辺からバッサリ落とすと。ちょっと見てしょう。あくまでも本当に首のこの曲がりがここら辺から向いていっちゃっていいってことですよね。いや全然うまいと思いますよ。全然残ってない。俺が持ち上げてもらっていい。この羽子板の背中のロース下の方で。ガーッと持ち上げればこのね。
This is the patch of land behind the house. There used to be a house here long ago, and then it was also used as a vegetable area. There were greenhouses and things here. I can tell from some of the photos that I found in the house. And also, when we got to this land and I started clearing the weeds which had grown, chest high or so. Out from the weeds came the crumpled remains of the steel skeleton from the greenhouse. So pulling all of that metal out of the ground, which you can see over there in the pile, was quite a task because it was just buried under, in many cases, lots of earth and then the weeds on top. But finally, in the warmer days of the winter here, got all of that metal pulled up. And then there was also this drainage problem. There was so much water pooling in this kind of rear left side of the property here because there's sort of naturally water flowing down into it on this side. And so I thought we were going to have to sort of build some sort of, dig a trench and sort of build a new trench here. But as I started digging, was it probably in December or so when I started digging, I discovered there's this sort of U-shaped concrete trough, I guess for lack of a better word, that runs all the way along the side and connects to right underneath the spot where the water runs down. So it still needs a lot of clearing up, but at least I've dug out the entire length of the trench and now the water is flowing through the trench, and the areas that were sort of pooling with water are now starting, now that the weather is getting warmer and the ground is thawing, the water is starting to recede, and it seems like it's going to probably dry up and be a nice area to grow vegetables and stuff. It also, because it was so wet and damp all the time, it was out and wild and overgrown, it was a place where the wild boars seem to like to come down here and dig up that sort of muddy, loose earth. So hopefully getting the water to sort of flow away and dry up this patch of land will also discourage the boars from coming in this close to the houses.
Okay.
Hey, this is the soon-to-be compost setup. We have been burying compost through the winter in the hugelkultur bed out front, hoping that it would compost as the weather gets warmer, and it would just be natural fertilizer in the bed out front there. But unfortunately, some kind of animal has been coming in and digging it up every now and then, so we've decided to make a little box. This is called the Kiero system, or like make it disappear system in Japanese. And it's just a simple setup. We're just using some reused materials. This box, wooden box, making up the base, was in one of the storage buildings here, and then an old glass pane window. We'll probably adjust it so there's a little more height here, and then put some hinges on the back so that you can open it up and close it like this. And it kind of acts like a quasi greenhouse system, keeps things warm in there because of the glass panel on the front, and then there's some airflow through the side. I'm not sure where we'll put it, but probably not too far from the house so that it's easy to bring the compost out on a daily basis. But this kind of system seems to work with the compost process pretty quickly, so hopefully it won't fill up. It seems to turn over into new soil fairly rapidly, but we'll give it a shot.
Just where it was needed.
cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead. And in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Okay.